You can make effects like this in your videos really easily just using your iPhone. All you need to do is go download the Adobe Aero app. Then using something like Photoshop, or I like using Adobe Express, type out some letters, position them however you want on the page, turn them different directions, and then export this with a transparent background. Or with a quick Google search, it's not too hard to find some good clip art that has transparent backgrounds that you can download for free. Open up Adobe Aero and move your phone back and forth until it detects a surface that you're going to be working with. Click on the plus sign here and locate the photo that you just created. By holding your finger on the screen, you can place this anywhere you want in three-dimensional space. Use 2 fingers to rotate and 3 fingers to move it up and down. Now, just repeat the process until you have as many letters as you want. Go to Preview, hit the record button, and that's all you have to do to create cool visual effects in your videos just using your iPhone. Go check out some more of my videos right over here, and I'll see you in the next one.